Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Or maybe you're just looking for a side hustle to boost your income? Today, we're diving into the 5 best ways to make money online in 2025. Methods that real people are using right now to earn from anywhere in the world. So, grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest growing online income sources. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, video editor, programmer, or voiceover artist, you can offer your skills on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. What makes freelancing powerful is you set your own rates, choose your clients, and work on your schedule. Plus, as your skills grow, so can your income. Build a strong portfolio, offer packages to upsell, ask for reviews to grow your profile. Number 2, dropshipping or e-commerce. Want to run an online store without stocking inventory? Then dropshipping could be your thing. You create a website using Shopify or WooCommerce, list trending products, and when someone buys, your supplier ships it directly to the customer. All you do is manage the website, customer support, and marketing. Bonus tip: use AI tools to write descriptions and Facebook, Instagram ads to drive traffic. Number 3, creating and selling digital products. Imagine making a product once and selling it over and over again. That's the magic of digital products. You could create ebooks, Canva templates, Notion planners, online courses, or printables. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable make it easy to start selling in minutes. And the best part? There's no shipping or storage to worry about. Example ideas: budget planner, PDFs, study guides, Instagram content templates. Number 4, YouTube or content creation. Yes, YouTube is still a money-making powerhouse in 2025, and you don't even need to show your face. From faceless videos, animations, tutorials, to shorts and storytelling, creators are earning from AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate links, and merch. Quick tips: focus on a niche you enjoy. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write scripts. Use free stock footage and voiceover software if you're shy. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. You don't need to create a product, just share what you love. You can promote through blogs, TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Sign up with Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, or Share a Sale to get started. Bonus tip: always be honest in your reviews. Authenticity builds trust, and trust leads to sales. And there you have it, 5 powerful ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you're freelancing, creating content, or launching an e-store, the tools are in your hands, and success is just a few clicks away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which method you're excited to try. Until next time, stay creative and stay hustling.